Hey everybody, welcome back to Dad Does Videos. Today we're going to do something that I think a lot of people already know how to do, but I figured I'd get my stove nice and juiced up and dirty to show you how well these things work. We use them for all of our stainless steel appliances in our house. The stove gets most of the work because if you cook almost anything on it, you know you have to clean it up. So I'm gonna try to do a decent job of showing you all the crusted on gunk on this that has been building up now for a little bit of time, and thought, hey, we're in pretty good shape. I could show you the wonder of the stainless steel wipes. So all you have to do is make sure you take your grates off first. I like to take these, the tops of the burners off too, to make sure you don't get any of the stuff on them. And we are just going to take a wipe out and wipe away at the top of this stove. We're gonna take a little picture after we're done here to show you maybe of a little before and after that we'll showcase at the end of the video. Okay, here is the stove top without the grates on top. I took them off, moved them off to the side. They're actually they can actually get really clean in the dishwasher if you put them in the dishwasher and fire that up. They don't get perfectly clean, but a lot better than what they used to look like when they were on top here. I also took the knobs off and popped them over to the side. We're gonna clean those after we do the stove top. So first step, just grab your little can full of wipes here, pull out the first one, and get to work. Okay, so that took me 2 wipes, and I'm not sure I'm completely finished yet, because you get to a point like we are right now where I think I've got everything, but this is the part where you want to get a nice microfiber cloth, something like this, and start to rub away the stainless steel juices that you just put on. And you might find some areas that you'll want to kind of touch up a little bit more that you didn't get that well. There'll also be some little bits like this that kind of popped off as we went along. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of clean this up and polish this up a little bit. And my hunch is we'll probably have to go back and kind of tidy up a few more things. Okay, so this is starting to look a lot better, but as predicted, no surprise, there are a couple spots that we need to go back over. The glare you could probably see, but here's a good indication of where we need to go back over. Same thing on the other side. There are a couple of little things over here that we need to go back over, but not bad considering where we started with this. As well. And keep in mind, I don't think I've mentioned this, this oven's about 8 years old. And it looks like it's in pretty good shape for being 8 years old. We're pretty fastidious about keeping the top in pretty good shape. And as you can see, it's not too bad, just kind of regular wear and tear over time. But I just found another spot right here where we need to go back over. But it doesn't look too bad. One of the things that I didn't mention earlier, when you're doing these things, you can kind of see the grain right here. It's horizontal. So when you use your wipe, make sure you keep going back and forth as much as you can. That way you won't inadvertently scratch the stainless steel somehow. So we go ahead and bust out another wipe and finish this out. You'll see me wiping and then again using the microfiber cloth to wipe off all the stainless steel juices. Oh, that's a wrap, friends. As you can see, it looks a heck of a lot better than it used to. And after I get these back on, you just pop these back on, and you can just wash these by hand too if there's some water stains or other cooking residue on these. But I'll put a picture of the before and after. I'm gonna take another one so you can kind of see the difference. But that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a good one.